Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on OneSpotMedia.com.
A reminder as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1 followed by the word Spot and Media.
We begin with the latest on cleanup efforts across the country in the wake of rains which left ruin and woe in several parts of the island.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness cut short his trip overseas to look at the damage, and this evening relief agencies are on the ground trying to see what they can do to help.
Our news team has been on the ground in some of these areas as residents try to pick up the pieces. Our coverage starts in perhaps one of the worst affected communities, Sunnyside in St. Catherine. It's impossible to tell, but this was Sonny Mahabir's bedroom.
I'm a mattress guy, everything. See, I use some here to push the kitchen lady.
Okay.
Right, I'm a kitchen lady over there, and she has to soup in there by herself.
Okay.
And she can't use her hand.
The her was his spouse. In the wee hours of Monday morning, when floodwater surged through Sunnyside, just outside Linstead in St. Catherine, furniture was the last thing on their mind.
Water catch me on my neck. Right, and if they reach to her, me don't know, me get the strength to reach to her and push her up. For one thing where we make, and I can show you it, and it all tear down. And if it didn't tear down, she would have enjoyed it, me enjoyed it too.
Morning sheds light on the disaster. The floodwaters flung things around. Lawns littered with treasured things now hard to tell apart from junk. Surviving was tough. Cleaning up isn't going to be much easier.
I didn't sleep last night, because I go and do some cleanup by myself last night. Because the whole downstairs flood out, car flood out. Over next door, I said this, flood out. I have to rescue the team and then go on the wall. Call for help several times, but help not come. But eventually help come when we already do our for those.
All right, then the next thing, I understand that there's no water in the...
No water.
So how is that hampering with the cleanup exercise?
Well, as you see, we have to stop. Because we start clean up, if you look in this up here, junk in this, can't go no further.
Mud and muck everywhere. Inside houses, outside houses, inside cars, everywhere. Politicians too on the scene, surveying the damage, looking at the stream that's said to have overflowed its banks. Disaster may have brought the politicians here, but for the young, all this activity is also an opportunity. The political representatives, however, say this is not a photo op.
I want to assure you that you will get that. All right?
Minister of Labour, and she's here on the tour. I know she's making connection with the Minister of Local Government to deal with that situation down here.
Government is responding. The team from the Ministry of Labour and Social Security is on the ground. They are doing the assessment and assistance will be given. The assistance may not be able to restore everyone to their former state, but it will be sufficient to get people back on their feet.
Relief efforts get underway.